Hello, it's Hanno from Apglos. Today I want to tell you something about drones. With drones you can do a lot. You can do movies, you can do land surveying, you can do a lot of things. Last week we took a very cool movie, maybe you saw it, you can see it here somewhere. And then this happened. So before you start land surveying with a drone, I want you to see some more movies, but not before this. Apglos Survey Wizard is the easiest land survey app in the field. You can extract points, lines, arcs, polylines, polygons. Also you can add comments and symbols. The function to import points, to draw and to calculate. Of course, you can use this app with lots of GNSS receivers. You can download this app in the Google Play Store. Just go to www.apglos.eu/ASW. Download it and try it for free for 30 days. Let's now check the drone failures. I hope you learned something. Just start to land survey with Apglos Survey Wizard. Thank you for watching.